Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Amadeo, which is our hand robot or hand and upper extremity robot. It was one of Tyromotion's first technologies into the market, and really the only technology that we know about that really provides mass practice for the hand and upper extremity. Basically what the Amadeo is, and it is comprised of a hand unit. You have an up and down tabletop that adjusts, obviously an all-in-one PC, which has our TyroOS software. The device also is capable of working with either an adult or pediatric population, and you can tell that by the different armrests. So this black one here is for the adults, and again, you can see the scale of it is bigger. The orange one is for children. You can see again the scale or size is different. This would actually fit here. The way that the device works, again, it's very simple. It works with our TyroOS software. You have to put finger magnets on the patient's fingertips before getting started, and I've just basically put 2 of them on here for you to show. And they just stick on with tape. Basically, it looks very similar to that of a Band-Aid. And all you're doing is basically taking the finger tape, placing it on the patient's fingers, one at a time, and ultimately you can see I've got 3 of them on there already, and all you do is you have the patient sit down. Now the stool doesn't come with the Amadeo, but any chair would do. You have the patient sit inside the device comfortably, right? Lay their hand here, and you can make all sorts of adjustments to get their hand in there comfortably. You lay the straps down, and what you'll see is the patient's fingertips now connect to the magnets. And so these are little actuators, and actuators are basically like little robotic motors that can move the patient either in an active assistive, or fully passive range of motion. So it really provides the therapist a lot of versatility. Now this device can be used in a gaming situations or straight movement activities. It also provides wonderful assessments for therapists, particularly for spasticity. Again, this is a wonderful device for providing mass practice for your patients and driving motor recovery.